In order to perform phone diagnostics on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we need to open Settings. Once you go to Settings, scroll down in here and search for Device Care. Once we go to Device Care, in here we should be able to find the Diagnostics option, so we can tap in here, wait a couple of seconds. Now in here we need to check for updates as well, so if you need to update the Samsung Members app, then of course we need to do so to be able to use that diagnostics feature. After that, we can find the phone diagnostics in here. So we're gonna tap on this option and then we are running through the diagnostics. Of course, you can close at any point or you can skip any tests at any point if you want to. If you stop diagnostics, then you will have a quick summary, and then from here you can also tap on any of these features in order to perform a test of these specific features. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.